they also made their debut.
Yeah, league debut, Taylor. The Aztecs came in the league this season with the proverbial target on their back. PD went undefeated last year in league and round to a league title. So Shadow Hills and pretty much everyone else trying to take them off their throne. Palm Desert in the all-black uniforms looking to make a statement against Shadow Hills. The Knights hoping to knock them off, and everyone showing support for Izzy, as we've mentioned. There is the 30 Strong campaign. Great to see from all the teams in the Valley. Aztecs offensive line supporting their skill players early. Xavier Hill-Kemp, quarterback keeper for the score, 7-0. Aztecs was just one of many to come. More Palm Desert, Simon Gallete. He's had some great runs through 5 games, but this is my guy. This is right up there with his best all season. Finds a hole, and he's gone nearly 70 yards to the house, and of course, he's eating. So are his guys up front, the offensive line.
Too easy, dog. Too easy.
And it continued to be easy for Palm Desert. They at least made it look that way. Hill-Kemp to a wide open Parker Lions. Aztecs up 3 scores. Gallete scored another one on a long run to make it 4. We're not going to show you that because everyone's going to think that he's just my guy, which he is. But Hill-Kemp making it 5 touchdowns in the first half for Palm Desert. The story in this one, PD, nearly 500 yards of rushing. They ran it down the throats of Shadow Hills as the Aztecs send a statement to the Knights and the rest of the league, reminding them that they are the league champs. 50-7 the final for Palm Desert in their league opener. Wow.